In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate effective potential difference and effective current in a circuit. The question says, a generator develops a maximum potential difference of 170 volt. What is the effective potential difference? And a lamp is placed across the generator with an Imax of 0.70 ampere. What is effective current through the lamp? So question has given me the maximum potential difference, which I will write as V max equals 170 volt. Sometimes instead of writing maximum value, they also can state this as peak potential difference. Peak and maximum are the same thing, that is the highest potential difference in the circuit. So I have my V max as 170 volt. They have given you I max, which is 0.70 ampere. The question wants me to find in part A effective potential difference, so V effective, and in part B I effective. Let's start with part A. We know that V effective is root 2 over 2 times V max. So I will just substitute my value of V max here to find what is V effective. Root 2 over 2 times 170. And when you solve this, I get my V effective as 120.2 volt. You can also use another rule for calculating V effective, which goes as V effective equals 0.707 times V max. And this 0.707 you can get from the term here. When you solve for root 2 over 2 in your calculator, you will get the value 0.707. So anytime you have to make rearrangement in problem like this, to make your rearrangement easier, you can just solve for root 2 over 2 to get 0.707 and then rearrange the terms to find either V max or V effective. Part B of the question wants me to find what is I effective. Again, I will use the same rule for I effective. I effective will be root 2 over 2 times I max. That will give me root 2 over 2 times 0.70. And when you solve this, you get your I effective as 0.49 ampere. Let's discuss another example. In this question here, you have an AC generator deliver a peak potential difference of 425 volt. So instead of saying maximum, in this question they have said peak. And peak also means the maximum value. So I have the maximum potential difference V max as 425 volt. Question is asking me what is V effective in a circuit connected to the generator. And if you have been given resistance in the circuit, so this is my resistance R, 5.0 times 10 to the power 2 ohm. What is the effective current? The question wants me to find what is effective potential difference, and part B wants me to find what is effective current. Let's start with finding effective potential difference. I know V effective equals root 2 over 2 times V max. So I will multiply my V max with root 2 over 2. That will give me my value of V effective as 300.5 volt. Second part of the question wants me to find I effective. Now they have not given me the maximum current, but they have given me resistance and I have V effective. We will use the basic relationship between current, potential difference, and resistance to find this. I know my current I is equal to potential difference V over the resistance R. And if I have to rewrite this for finding I effective, I will take V effective divided by the resistance R. So V effective I calculated in part A as 300.5 volt, and resistance is 5 times 10 to the power 2 ohm. When you solve this, you get your current as 0.6 ampere. So if they do not give you the value of I max and they want you to find current, you can always use the value of V effective to solve it. So if I'm finding effective current, I have to use effective voltage over resistance. And if I were to find maximum current, I will use maximum potential difference over the resistance. Whichever current value you need to find, use that potential difference to solve for it. VI effective with V effective and I max with V max.